How to check IP address on Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to check IP address on Windows 11. IP address is a unique numerical identifier assigned to your device that allows you to communicate with the other devices on the internet. Knowing your IP address can be useful for troubleshooting network issues or configuring network settings. So let's start the video. To check IP address on Windows 11, now type Control Panel in search. Now click to open the Control Panel. In Control Panel click on Network and Sharing Center. So this is our Wi-Fi network. Next to Connections. Click on your Wi-Fi network name. A new window Wi-Fi status will appear. Click on the Details button to view your IP address as well as other connection information. Here you can see your IP address as well. So that's how checking your IP address on Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.